Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn some basic tricks in Excel. The first trick, wrap text. What is wrap text? Fits any text neatly inside the same cell. For example, in M5, let's type this. This is a long sentence in Excel. Now, what is happening here is this value is in M5. See the cell address M5. But actually what happened here? It extended to column N, column O. Now it's not look good. I want to make this to fit in cell M5. Select the cell, go to Home tab where you find wrap text. Just click the wrap text. Now see, Excel automatically fits the entire text to particular cell. Now, next, merge and center. Useful when making table heading and report title. Take a small table here, consists of item, price, quantity. Now I want to give some heading to this table. So click here, type product table. Now see, it's not looking good for me. It's not looking good and it is not in center of my table. So I have to make it center. Select till quantity because my table ends in quantity. Click merge cell. You can see now you can give some colors and some borders. See, this is how merge center. Now, how to insert, delete, hide rows, columns in Excel? Have a small table here. Now I want to insert new empty row above pencil. What I have to do? Click pencil, right click, insert, click entire row. See, one row is inserted. The same way I want to insert row below pen. Just keep it in laptop, insert. See, one row is inserted. Same way, if I want to insert one column before quantity, click in quantity, go to insert entire column. See, one column is inserted. If I want to delete, select the quantity, right click, delete the entire column. See, entire column is deleted. Now I want to hide entire row. Suppose I want to write pencil, right click the row 25 here. Just see, click the row 25, just it's highlighted. Right click, hide. Now how to unhide? Select the row from 23 to till 26 because the hidden row is between 23 and 26. Now right click, unhide. Same way I can hide column G. Select the G column, right click, hide. Now see, G column is hidden. Now how to unhide? Again, select the F column to H column between because G is in between. Right click, unhide. Thank you.